AquaSense, the self-watering plant mood system. Hello everyone, this is Amrita and NIKHIL of class 9 from Padma Seshadri Balabhavan Senior Secondary School, here to give you a brief explanation of our project that changes India.
One of the biggest problems we see today is that many plants die because people forget to water them or don't know how much water they need. At the same time, the water scarcity is increasing and we waste a lot of water on gardening. So the problem is irregular plant care plus water wastage.
Solution using our prototype. Our solution is AquaSense, a smart plant care system that collects water from the atmosphere and waters the plant only when it actually needs it. We use a humidity based water collector with a Peltier device and a soil moisture sensor. The system also shows the plant's mood on a display so that anyone can easily understand whether the plant is happy, stressed, or thirsty.
This is our AquaSense prototype. So it uses an Arduino moisture sensor, DHT sensor and a Peltier module to collect water from the air and water the plant automatically. The display shows the plant's mood based on soil moisture. This simple setup shows how AquaSense makes plant care smart and automatic.
Our future vision. In the next 3 days, we aim to finish all the basic wiring and testing, connecting the sensors, Arduino, and the Peltier unit to confirm that all the components work correctly. In the next 3 weeks, we expect to have a fully working prototype where atmospheric water collection, automatic watering, and mood indication all operate together smoothly.
So, what do you think about our project?
Very sustainable, innovative approach to modern gardening, and this could eventually change the way we think about plant care.
Thank you for watching our presentation. AquaSense is our attempt to make the plant care simple, smart, and sustainable. By encouraging more people to grow plants with less efforts and less water, we hope to contribute to a greener and healthier future for our country, India.